How to earn and redeem air rewards points with Air Arabia. Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can earn and redeem air rewards points with Air Arabia. And to do so, a major way is by creating an account with Air Arabia. So after downloading the application, go to the top right corner of the screen where you can see three horizontal lines. By clicking on it, you'll be taken to a page where you will see the option log in or join now. So click on join now, and then when you join, you stand a chance of earning points, air rewards points whenever you book a flight. So if you book directly on the Air Arabia application or you book directly on the Air Arabia website and you logged into your account while booking, points will be credited to your account automatically after you fly. So you can just click on book, click on flight, and then after booking a particular flight and you fly, points will be credited automatically into your account. All right, that is one way. Another way is if you book through the call center, through travel agents on Air Arabia or other online travel websites, you can still earn points as long as your Air Arabia's email ID is associated with the booking. Okay, that is the major way you can earn points on Air Arabia. And for you to redeem your point is not difficult too. It is very simple. When you have enough points, by the clicking on the three horizontal lines by the top right corner of the screen, you will see all the points that you have here. So on this, just below the points, you can see the option claim points for past flights. So click on that and then it would load and you'll be taken to the page where you see the points that you've had from your past flight and you'll be able to claim them here. But for me, since I have 0 points, it is showing a blank screen. But for you, you brought to this page. So on this page, you can now go ahead and enter in the last name of your ticket, your reservation number, submit claim, and then your points will be claimed. And then you can even make use of this point to pay for seats on your next flight. You can use it to pay for even the flight that you are about to board, depending on the amount. As long as you have enough points, you can use it to get anything on the Air Arabia app as well as the website. This is how you can earn and redeem Air rewards points on Air Arabia. Thank you for watching and have a good day.